updated how to make a playlist video. I recently went through some of my old videos and I saw I had one, how to make a playlist, so I changed it from unlisted to public, and for whatever reason YouTube makes the date like its current date if you change it back to public. So anyways, and of course it's outdated on that because they don't even have the same buttons anymore. So I'm doing an updated one, and I'm going to share how to create a playlist. You know, basically to create a new playlist, how to add videos, like on a video that you're watching and you like, to a current playlist, how to add videos using a search box that's specifically for adding videos, and how to customize the order of your playlist on your channel. So, used to be the button create a playlist was up here. Of course, that's not there anymore. So, playlist button right here underneath your name above your channel trailer. You click on that. Pick, if I want to, let's say I'm going to add a video. So I'm going to just click on this playlist right here. Okay, if you already have playlists, you want to change the order of the playlist on your channel. So you're going to click this button here, Customize Channel, and it'll take you to your channel customization for playlist. Now, of course, the top here is your channel trailer if you have one. You go down here to featured sections. So this is where you're going to customize the layout of your channel homepage. You get 12 sections. So you can, let's say if I want to put, let's see which one, I'm trying to do one. Let's say I want to move these around. You click on this right here. You can remove this section. You can edit the contents. You can view the playlist. So here I have a playlist by topics. So I want to edit which ones I want in there, and that will, you click on that, and this is what it'll bring up, and then you just decide which ones you want in there. You can change the title of it, of your playlist or your section, and then just click either done or cancel. So basically I didn't make any changes, I'm just showing you how to get to that. Now let's say I want to rearrange the order of videos in an individual playlist. So go to the playlist, click play all, then you will scroll down using the scroll thing here. Go down, let's say I want to make my most recent one, which will show up at the bottom by default, and I want to put that at the top. So I want to take this video right here and I want to put it at the very top. Okay, so to change a position of a video in an individual playlist, you see this thing where it says play all? Go to the title, to the left of that, go to the title of the playlist that's in bold, and it'll bring up this page here. Okay, and then you can add videos, but right now I'm going to show you how to rearrange the videos in your playlist. Go to the bottom, or just pick, let's say I'll just pick this one right here. I'm going to make this video at the top. So I'm going to say move to the top. So you have different options on how you can rearrange those. Just click on this. You can save it even to a different one. You can move to the top, to the bottom, set it as a playlist thumbnail, different things you can do. Now, let's say you want to add a video. I want to just go onto a search to add. You can delete, playlist settings, collaborate, add all to. But this is where, if you want to bring up videos you're going to go look for specific things. So what this will do, or used to, is what I called super search. And basically, usually when you do a search for videos, you have to go through the top trending videos that the algorithm has put all the videos to the top, the most popular, the ones with the most views, the sponsored ones, and it takes you forever to get through. And sometimes you can't even find. So this will take you to older videos. It'll take you to smaller channels. It's just more refined. But you have to, currently, you have to sign into your Google account, which in this particular browser I cannot do. But that's how you would do it if you wanted to do a specific search. And you will see it's just different search options that you have. Like if I was just to search something right now, it's a whole different type of search than doing it for playlist. One nice thing about playlists is because for a person like me, I have multiple topics and types of videos on the same channel. And a lot of people, more people have multiple channels to separate their types of videos than not. That's why at the top of your channel, you will see channels. And YouTube has created a section where it shows how many channels this person has. You know, they may have different things that they do. So they have multiple channels. And they may have a gaming channel, vlogging channel, you know, prank channel, just whatever. They have just various channels based on topic because of the way the algorithm works. You know, they find it's easier to just dedicate one channel per subject. Whereas if you do this and you have all kinds of subjects, playlists come in real handy for this reason. Or you just have things that you want to collect by topic. But I have my playing with my dogs, I've got my pranking, I got a how-to, playing with my dogs, Bible auto listening, newsy stuff. I have so many different types of videos that I do. I have art, I have, you know, Bible and, you know, church stuff, and I upload a lot of different types of videos. So if somebody was just to go to my videos and all they're going to see is my uploads, they have to sort through all kinds of videos, and the most recent ones, just to find one video that they like. And it's a whole lot easier for them just to be able to see the type of videos that, let's say they just want to see your dog videos. And you have a playlist dedicated to the types of videos you do. It's just a lot easier for your viewers and for your visitors, depending on what type of traffic that you have. So anyways, that's, you know, if you have any comments or ideas about playlists or anything additional you'd like to share, please feel free to comment below. Thank you.